Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Now students, after learning the topic related to multiplication of 3-digit number with 1 digit, along with this we have studied what are the different properties of multiplication. So our today's topic is multiplication by multiples of 10, and related to that I have taken some questions from your book exercise in which we will learn how we can multiply any number with the multiples of 10. Now what is the meaning of multiples of 10? Multiple of 10 means the table of 10. 10 ones are 10. That means if we multiply any number with 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 70, 80, 100, 200, 500, all these numbers are the multiples of 10. So how we can multiply these numbers with the multiple of 10? And for that students, it is a very simple and easy method which you people will enjoy. So let's start checking out the questions here. Find the product. The question is find the product, and here our first number is we have to find the product of 32 with 20. That means 32 multiplied by 20. As you can see here, 20 is a multiple of 10. So the process is, what you have to do whenever you have to multiply any number with multiple of 10, what you have to do, you just have to multiply the first number with the numerical value of this. That means you have to multiply 32 with 2. Simple? 32 with 2. So now what is 32 multiplied by 2? So if I multiply 32 with 2, here 2 into 2 4 and 3 2s are 6. So your answer is 64. 32 into 2 is 64. Now we have to write its answer. So basically 32 into 2 is 64, and since there is one 0 along with this 20, so your final answer is 64 and a 0. So 32 multiplied by 20 is 640. This is the concept which we use to multiply any number, any 2-digit number, 3-digit number, 4-digit number. When it is multiplied by 10, 100 or 1000 or multiples of 10, we use this concept itself, and this is your final answer. In the second part, you have to multiply 41 with 16. So here what you have to do, you have to multiply 41 with 6. So what is 41 multiplied by 6? 6 ones are 6 and 6 fours are 24. So it is 246. 246, I will write it here, 246. That means the product of 41 and 6 is 246 along with a 0. So I will put as a 0 here. This is our final answer. Clear children? Taking the next one, 62 multiplied by 20. So once again you have to multiply 62 with 2. So let's multiply this. 62 multiplied by 2. 2 2s are 4 and 2 6s are 12. What is the product? 124. So it is 124 and one of the 0. So our final answer for 62 into 20 is 1240. Clear students? Isn't it so simple to multiply by the multiples of 10, 100,000? Yes. Coming to the next one, where what you have to multiply 4 with 3, because it is now 300. 300 is again a multiple of 10. So I will simply multiply 4 with 3. Now this is an easy one. You can just read the table. What is 4 3s are? 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. So it is 12. And along with this, we have to put these two zeros. So our final answer with the multiplication for 4 into 300 is 1200. 1200. Simple children? Let's move to the next one. 13 into 400. Now we have to multiply 13 with 4. So let us multiply 13 with 4 here. So 13 multiplied by 4. If you know the table of 13, it is very good. If you don't know, then you can multiply. 4 3s are 12. Carry 4 1s are 4 plus 1 52. So I'll write it 52 here, and along with this we have to put these two zeros. So your final answer is 5200. Clear, children? Now then the next part. Now in the next part you have to fulfill this blank. 15 multiplied by some value and it will give you 150. So what value should be there? 15, and we have just increased one zero here. That means if I multiply 15 with 10, because 15 ones are 15 and a 0. So this blank will be filled by the number 10. Right, children? Next one, 62 multiplied by a number and we will get 62 itself. So which property is this? Yes, in properties of multiplication we have done a number multiplied by 1 will give number itself. So 62 ones are 62. Right, children? Coming to the last one, 36 multiplied by a number and it should give 3600. So the number is same. What is the change? Only two zeros are included. So by which value should we multiply? We will multiply by 100. So 36 multiplied by 100 will give 3600. How? Because 36 ones are 36 along with the two zeros, so it will give 3600. So students, you have learned how easily we can multiply any number with the multiples of 10, 100 and 1000. I hope today's lesson is clear to all of you. Kindly go through your book exercise and complete the questions in your notebook. Thank you for the lesson, students. Have a great day.